something I've been seeing in my career is that the data people, they are in a way consuming the data that other teams already produced. So the data engineers, they don't own the data generating process. They just build pipelines and transformations and make it available for easy use downstream.
I think that when it comes to data ownership in these growing companies, right, the end state should be like the cross-functional team to own both the transactional data and the analytical data, which is easier said than done, right?
Yeah.
The backend teams will not want to care about this, and I've encountered this many times. Like, for example, you are working as a machine learning scientist, and you see like, okay, I get this data from the backend. Let's say I would really benefit from a different type of a structure for this data, right? This is like very transactional. I would like maybe like adding one field or splitting things into rows or this type of things. Like, and before, like when data is treated as a kind of a support and not part of the team, it's like, okay, then I don't have any other choice than do it myself, because if I request it, they will not do it because they are not incentivized. Of course, like they are not incentivized to do it. So then you start creating all these pipelines and code to transform the data into the analytical shape that you like, and it's maintenance that you are adding to a system that it will be bad for the system eventually, right? So, but if you have this data scientist in the team sitting next to the backend engineers with a product manager that is able to prioritize the work on both the software engineer and the machine learning scientist, that's a different story, because then the machine learning scientist is in the team where this happens, right? So it's a much better place to make these things a reality.